Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. All those really do help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great kitchen set. It's a mix of pots and pans and some utensils. It is by a company called HAFMOOBEY, and it comes with 18 different pieces. So let's go over everything you are going to get. So first off, the little utensils. You're going to get just two pure silicone. You're going to get a little soup ladle here and a spatula. And you're also going to get a nice pair of tongs with also a silicone end piece. So very nice to utilize these. Now, as far as the pots and pans, you are going to get two different frying pans. You're going to get a 8-inch pan with a lid, and then you are going to also get a 10-inch pan with also a lid on it. Now, you are going to get a saucepan, which is an 8-inch saucepan, and then you're going to get a saute pan, which is a 10-inch saute pan. Now, the lid will also work with this, which is a nice feature. Now, I do want to mention that these pans are all double-coated non-stick, which is absolutely great. Now, you want to use the silicone utensils or kind of wood utensils. You don't really want to use the metal one on anything that is non-stick because they can eventually scratch this. But works very, very well. It's got this nice blue look on the outside, all made out of an aluminum and a stainless steel handle. And then it's thickened on the bottom to help hold in that heat. You are also going to get a 10-inch griddle. Absolutely great for making grilled cheeses or sandwiches. They are going to include 6 of these pot protectors, which are also another little nice thing. So you can put these in to keep from scratching your pots and pans. And they include plenty of them in case you end up losing them or anything like that. And then finally, you are going to get a kind of a 9.5-inch just standard pot here, and it comes also with a lid. It's got the 2 handles on it, so you can utilize those. Now, one of the things to note, these will all work on your electric, which is what we have. If you have gas, it'll work on that. It'll work on your induction oven or cooktops. It'll work on the infrared cooktops, ceramic cooktops, basically all of them. You can also put any of these things directly in the oven as long as it's under 500 degrees. The lids are not rated for that, just the pots and pans are rated for that as far as putting it directly into the oven. Now, as far as care instructions, it's highly recommended that you hand wash everything here. Just make sure they will last a lot longer than throwing them in the dishwasher. But overall, it is an absolutely great set, especially, like I said, if you're looking to replace your whole kind of setup, or you're just getting started and you're looking for a nice starter set, I think these are totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I typically do respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.